The Airmoto Portable Tire Inflator is a compact, cordless air compressor designed for everyday drivers, cyclists, and anyone who wants a convenient way to maintain tire pressure without relying on gas station air pumps or bulky garage compressors. It promises digital pressure accuracy, automatic shut-off, and portability in a device small enough to keep in a glove box or trunk. Now, let's go ahead and open it up and see what you get in the box. Sliding off the cover, we then take off the cardboard top. Inside, the first thing we take out is the user manual. Overall, it is a pretty comprehensive manual, providing instructions in several different languages. It provides product specifications and a diagram showing all of the controls and features. It shows you how to charge and operate the pump, and it tells you how to switch units, set the target pressure, and the appropriate way to attach and store the hose. Finally, it shows you how to use the unit to measure pressure and deflate items, if desired. Next, we take out the inflator itself. The unit feels solid and well built. The front has the control buttons and screen, and one side has the deflate button. The top stores the hose, has an LED light, and the port for charging. We appreciated how the hose could be stored in the body, making it easy to grab and go. Outside of the inflator, we found some additional accessories in the box. First is a nice carrying bag, which can be used to store the unit so it is protected, as well as hold the additional accessories. Next is a small Ziploc bag of included items. These accessories make the Airmoto Inflator a multifunctional pump. It includes adapters to enable the inflator to be used with bicycles, motorcycles, sports balls, and small inflatables. First in the bag is a small USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Note: a wall plug is not included, so you will need one handy to charge the unit. The remaining items in the bag are the 3 adapters. This includes a tapered nozzle, used for inflatable toys, a metal pin, for ball inflation, and a Presta valve adapter for bicycle tires. We'll now see how the inflator works. The included hose pulls out of the unit with a little bit of force, which is nice, as it stores securely in the base, with no chance of it getting lost. The red circle on the top of the unit highlights the hose connector outlet. This is where you screw the hose into, in order to use the inflator. Once securely fastened, you are ready to go. To turn the unit on, you press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. The press and hold requirement ensures the unit does not turn on by accident. Pushing the up and down buttons control the units, PSI, bar, etc. And the left and right buttons control the target or preset pressure. Clicking on the power button changes the mode from bicycle to ball to custom, car, etc. Now, let's see this inflator in action. We attach the hose to the tire valve stem by screwing it on and making sure it is securely fastened. Then, we click and hold the power button to turn it on. Using the left and right buttons, we set the target tire pressure. In this case, we want to inflate the tire to 42 psi. Once the target pressure is correct, we just click on the power button to start inflating. As you heard, the inflator is noisy, producing a loud buzzing sound similar to other compact compressors. While this is normal for a device of this size, you probably don't want to use it late at night, in a quiet neighborhood. Also, the battery life is limited, and we found that a full charge could top off about 3 tires, or 1 pretty flat tire, before needing to recharge. Once depleted, the unit takes about 2 hours to fully recharge. As you are inflating, the display shows the real-time current pressure, compared to the target pressure, so you can estimate how long it might take to inflate the tire, and the built-in LED ensures you can easily see where you are working during nighttime roadside situations or in dark garages. With a small compressor like this, it does take a few minutes to inflate even a few psi, so consider this pump to be a maintenance and emergency top-off unit, rather than a piece of equipment for frequent full inflations. That being said, with the target tire pressure set, you can let this inflator go, as it will auto shut off once it reaches the 42 psi. One thing to be careful about is heat buildup can happen during longer inflation sessions. The hose connection and surrounding area can become quite warm, so caution is advised when disconnecting it after extended use. We found this inflator to be a great all-in-one tool. It works on a variety of different tires, from dollies to wagons and bicycles, making it a great alternative to manual bike pumps or hand inflators. The additional nozzles let you handle multiple inflation needs, around the house or on the go. Here is how you would use the inflator with the tapered nozzle to fill a yoga ball. Overall, for drivers who want peace of mind, cyclists who value compact gear, or anyone tired of unreliable gas station air pumps, the Airmoto offers a practical solution that works as advertised. It is best suited as a backup or household inflator rather than a primary compressor. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video informative.